Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing delicious ice cream drawing. Let's start. We'll make delicious ice cream drawing. Wait for end. We complete ice cream drawing. Do you like ice cream? What's flavor? Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors. Orange color, green color, brown color, highlighter color, violet color, magenta color, pink color, we complete ice cream drawing with colors. Thanks for watching.